Hey, what's up, bro? How you doing? So you think you can introduce yourself like that? Imagine in school, college, or when going out and making new friends. Hello, wake up. We all need to know how to introduce ourselves, whether we are in school, college, or meeting new people, because the first impression is the lasting impression. And to build a great habit, we need to start early. So let me tell you very quickly what are we going to discuss in this video. Formal and informal introductions, we should be prepared for both, of course. Body language, mistakes and tips to get better. Vocabulary that can help you stand out. Structure, we badly need a structure. Last but not the least, bonus tips, very important, and trust me, nobody talks about them. Okay, so we begin with formal and informal introductions. We know when to use which one, right? So good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Tanu Sardana. Or you can also say, I am Tanu and I work with PlanetSpark. Now remember, it is always a good idea to use your full name, Tanu Sardana. It looks more formal. But you can always read the room. If others have used only their first name, you can skip it too. So practice with me now. Hello, I'm Tanu and I recently joined the team as a new brand strategist. Or, hello, my name is Priyanka and I look after the production unit. I'll give you one more way. Hello, I don't think we have met. I am Tanu and I oversee the content team. Nice to meet you. I am Tanu and I contribute to the product team. Now we move to the informal setting. Hi, I'm Tanu. I just started in the sales team. Hey, I'm Tanu from the content team. Did you notice the difference? Now let's talk about the most important thing, which is our body language. This one thing can change the game entirely. We have gone online for almost everything. And one thing that remains common, whether online or offline, is your smile. Yes, your eye contact and your warmth should reach the person you're talking to. Use their name in the conversation. People love to hear their names. The next very important thing we sometimes miss is speaking but not listening. Listening actively is a great quality and it tells so much about your personality. Be confident and try to have open body language. Your hands should not be folded when talking to someone. You should look welcoming. Now we head to vocabulary. I'm sure if you are a regular on our channel, you know the value of right vocabulary. So I'm going to give you some phrasal verbs and idioms. Use them in your introduction and grab the right attention. Number 1, this is definitely my favorite, wear many hats. I wear many hats. I am an anchor, storyteller, and content strategist. Wearing many hats means to perform multiple roles or responsibilities at the same time. Number 2, work on. I am currently working on my communication skills. I am currently working on building impactful educational content. Number 3, go the extra mile. I believe in going the extra mile in everything I do. I try to add value to my work. If you are a teacher watching our video, this one is for you. As a teacher, I believe in going the extra mile for my students. I don't just teach the syllabus, I ensure they understand concepts deeply. Next is bring about. I bring about changes in our work processes through AI. Now let me talk about some common mistakes I have seen people making that usually create a bad impression. Even if you're the perfect person for that task in college, school or work, you miss the opportunity. I have shared this in my previous video also. You can go check it out. People say, myself Tanu Sardana. No, don't say myself. Say, I am Tanu Sardana. Or, my name is Tanu Sardana. Calling yourself Mr., Mrs. or Miss. I am Miss Tanu. I am Mr. Aditya. No, leave it for the other people to use it for you. Next is sharing too much. In any formal setup, we need to share only relevant details. One time I met someone who told me the reason he left Bengaluru was because of his annoying boss. No, keep it professional, short, crisp and clear. That's your power. Maybe after a few meetings or discussions, you can share such information. So always read the room. Next is using jargon and slang. I am doing BBA from DU, JNU. Always use full forms and avoid jargon and short forms. Now it's time to talk about the basic structure, extremely important, students, so hear me out. I have made a detailed video on this, so you should definitely check it out first. I will quickly give you a brief. First is greeting. Hi, hello, hey, good morning, good afternoon. Next is name. Say your name clearly. Role. Mention your role and position. If you're a student, you can skip this part. But if you're an intern or working in a corporate setup, mention your company. For example, I work at PlanetSpark. Crisp background. Mention your qualifications or experience based on the situation. And like I always say, keep it crisp and clear. Now we come to closing. I am excited to be here and look forward to working with you. Simple, plain, and very honest. Now the final and most important part of the video, bonus tips no one talks about. Speak simple and clear. You don't need fancy words. Simple and clear communication gives you extra mark. Confidence. Very simple formula. Even if you're nervous, which you will be, fix your posture, keep your chin up, and have a gentle smile. Personal hygiene. Nails should be trimmed, clothes should be well ironed, and pay attention to your footwear. This is not shallow. You need to dress up for the job you want. There is a reason we wore uniforms in school. Your half battle is won when you look neat and sharp. Next is, it is extremely important to look passionate and enthusiastic about the work or role you want. Now imagine if I say, I am very happy and excited to be a part of this group. Looking forward to learning new things from all of you. Will you believe me? Forget belief. Does it sound warm, welcoming? No, right? So avoid this at every cost. Always have that little enthusiasm and positivity while talking to others. So that's it from my side, students. I hope you learned something new and exciting. If you learned something new from this video, I would love to hear it from you. Your every like and comment means so much to us. So I am Tanu Sardana. Remember I said I am Tanu Sardana. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning.